So hey everyone, today we're going to discuss about the difference between impulse and change in momentum. So what is an impulse? Let's say there is a block and we are applying a constant force F for a time interval delta t. Now impulse is defined as the product of force and the time for which it is acting. Now if the force is variable, we can write j vector as integration f as a function of time dt from time interval t1 to t2. Okay, so what is change in momentum? It's simply p final minus p initial. Now the question is, are impulse and change in momentum the same? Let me give you one example. Suppose we have a ball rolling with momentum p1. You give it a short kick to speed it up. This kick applies an impulse, let's say j kick, and the ball has attained the final momentum p2. At the same time, friction acts continuously. If you measure the momentum before the kick and right after the kick, the change in momentum will be less than the impulse from your kick. That means j kick is not equals to p2 minus p1 because friction has removed some momentum. But if we add the impulse due to friction, then that will be equals to the change in momentum. So we can say that J net is equals to change in momentum. And this equation is called as the impulse momentum theorem. Okay. So in short, impulse is tied to a specific force, whereas change in momentum considers the net effect of all the forces. If you only take the impulse due to a single force, then that will not be equal to the total change in momentum. Okay. Now we generally say that this J net, it is the cause, and this change in momentum, it is the effect. So both are mathematically correct, but in the sense of physics, J net is the cause and change in momentum, it is the effect. Well, don't get bothered much about it, since in calculation we'll treat both as same. Okay? अगर आपको ऐसे वीडियोस अच्छे लगते हैं then do like, share and subscribe our channel. और अगर आपको लाइव क्लासेस करने हैं then contact me on the number given.